Una-una, kahapon ng umaga, nagulat kami talaga, no? Na-shock ako dahil lang ina-expect namin na unang masibak sa pwesto o ma-relieve is si Secretary Bunoan ng DPWH. Di ba? At kaya nga, nagulat tayo lahat, ano? Kaya nga, itong, regarding dun sa relief ni Chief PNP, ex-Chief PNP Torre, it is one of the shortest ever, no, na isang Chief PNP. Ang total days niya is 85 days only. But yung nagawa niya, it's a short term, but it has a big impact, no? Napakalaki ho ng impact dahil na yung qualities na hinahanap namin was there, no? Una, yung internal fencing, yung paglilinis ng hanay nila, yun ginawa niya immediately. Ito nga yung record namin, research namin, a total of 19 police officers ang na-dismiss for misconduct. Tapos, walong COP, relieved from their post for underperformance or poor performance. Anyway, moving forward, yung nabanggit mo nga kanina na merong violation, no, na nakabit si PNP dahil dun sa dapat according dun sa NAPOLCOM rules of engagement, pinasi po nila yung legal basis nila dun sa Republic Act na kung saan nagsasaad ang Chief PNP pala recommendatory body, no? He can recommend sa balasahan, it involves the appointment, delegation of the third middle officers. At ang nangyari, because of the legal basis, dapat pala si Chief PNP should have consulted nagkaroon ng case conference consultation between NAPOLCOM and DILG. So, on that legal basis, meron siyang nagawa, no? But then and again, kaya nga ang public opinion, public perception, sinasabi, this is political. Or may power struggle between the PMA and Lacan. So, referring to the PNPA. Bakit po? Kasi po, for the longest time, it is a common practice, no? In the case of Senping Lacson, baka during his time, meron din yon before his time and after his time. Pero siya, hindi niya ginawa yun. No? Yung nagtatapon sa malalayong lugar, yung second man in command sa second in command. Pero ginagawa yun lately, yung dalawa nga under Chief PNP Asuril, yung mismo si brother-in-law pa kanya, tinapon niya rin sa Mindanao, si General Rodel, Abilas pala, no? General Rodel Sermonia, then after nun, meron pang isang case si General Danao, Vic Danao, tinapon din sa Western Mindanao. So, kaya ang public opinion dito, may touch of politics of power struggle. But yung pumalit sa kanya is equally deserving, no? Well, deserving si General Natates na maganda ang track record, may integrity.